Come and make mango sticker rice with me. Chares. Many people ask me about the recipe, but these are the only videos I took at home during the Holy Week in Bayugan. When my mom informed me over the phone nga nakahimo na siya og suman anong Good Friday, nakahuna na dayon kong og gama og mango sticker rice. Kibali i-level up lang ang suman na giluto na sa akong mama. Before we arrived home, I bought the ingredients for the white sauce and of course, the mangoes. In all honesty, this was my first time to eat and make mango sticker rice. I used to eat the suman alone, suman og sikwate, or suman with manga, but not with this coconut or white sauce. Next time, guys, I will try to make a content about the ingredients and the step-by-step process. Pero if crave na gyud, nakuha ra na ako ang recipe sa sauce through watching tutorials sa TikTok and YouTube. This is simple and easy to prepare, yet savory and appetizing, I tell you. Now, let's do the taste test with La Familia. So let's start with the man of the house, my papa. Next in line is this bully husband.
Uy, bond lagi ka.
Giluod daw pero nakahungit og ikaduha. Third is my artistahin nga kuya.
Oo, pero at least ba level up.
Gusto kalainan ko na nigot.
Internet tan-aw.
Tunay yun, do. Tunay yun, do. 150.
Lastly is the first grandchild of the family, Kuya Gab. Wala diri si Chinchin and Andre kay nasa lagbutuan ani nga time. Uy, kadali lang kitsa ning abot.
Lami niya. Parisan man og.
Thank you for watching. Till next time.